Hi dear children, welcome to this online class. Children, we are living in an era of advanced technology. It has created amazing tools and resources, putting useful information at our fingertips. Is technology a ban or boon? But technology is a boon to the people with special needs. It enables the disabled to perform their day-to-day activities just like a normal person. In this lesson, the two main characters, Alicia and David, share their life experience with technology, how they tackle their life before the tech and after using the technology. Let's see the summary. Alicia is a disabled girl who suffers from cerebral palsy. She has trouble with typing. Studying was so difficult for her. She depends on someone to do everything, so she couldn't complete her GCSE. But now she able to do GCSE Maths. Her school assistive technologist Kim introduced her Dragon Dictate, which means a software which recognizes speech and convert it to text. By using this Dragon Dictate, Alicia drew one GCSE in her life. She feels that technology has made her more independent. David was born with attached cerebral palsy. He has been using a high-tech communication aid since he was 8 years old. Modern technologies such as Liberator Communication Device, ACI TV Controller, AAC, ECO2 have enabled him to communicate freely and to control his environment. David uses Liberator Communication Device for verbal communication. He controls it with his eye movements. David controls his TV, Blu-ray and music players using an AC TV controller, which means it's like a remote. This device is attached to the headrest of his chair in his bedroom. David now uses an ECO2 with ECO that is eye controlling scanner communication. This technology is used to communicate. I give you now how ECO2 works with computer. By using ECO2, he is able to speak complete sentence with correct syntax. He makes proper communication with his peers. Peers means same age group people. David recently has worked on idioms. His recent coin idiom is Mum has a lot on her plates. David has been selected to travel Brazil to work with the Olympic opening ceremony team as a part of Remix drama group. Lichel Shoes by Crispian Lawrence. This GPS Bluetooth enabled shoes help the disabled persons navigate streets based on the instructions from map software and smartphone. This app also records route and counts steps. Blue Watch by industrial designers Nupura Kirloskar and Janvi Joshi of Mumbai. This smartwatch for the hearing impaired converts sound waves into vibrations and color codes to alert users to emergency sounds and ringing doorbells. It even helps them feel the rhythm of music. Next, IGEST, which means Intelligent Gesture Recognition Device, invented by Anil Prabhakar, IIT professor and co-founder of Enability Technologies. This wearable device tracks gestures of speech impaired people. Impaired means weak to people and speaks for them. You're watching Big Bang Theory now. It was invented by world-renowned physicist Stephen Hawking. It's probably the best example of how assistive technology has helped a talented mind overcome physicist impairments and contribute productively to the world. From this lesson, we understand that Technology can help people like Alicia and David to make friends. It enables the disabled person to communicate and be independent.